Jaden Dillon. I'm 11 years old, and welcome to my house. To sign a brand new 2019 deal with Yamaha, and I'm hoping to do big things with them next year. Transcan this year, I was able to get the 65 GP 7-11 championship, and I also won the GPF Top Mini Award. This year I also raced the Triple Crown Amateur Open Series, and I was able to get 3 championship titles in that. This year I achieved all my goals. I signed a brand new, I also raced the I raced 65 GP and 85, and at Walton Transcan this year I was able to get the 65